5 things you're doing wrong with pink salt trick and weight loss. You've been drinking pink salt water every morning to lose belly fat. And it's not working. Surprised? You should be, because most people are sabotaging themselves without even realizing it. Today, I'm going to expose the 5 biggest mistakes you're making with the pink salt trick, and why they're stopping you from seeing results. First, let's clear something up. Pink salt isn't magic. It won't melt fat by itself. What it does is help your body stay balanced, improve hydration, support digestion, and give you some essential minerals. But if you're doing it wrong, it can actually make your weight loss harder. Mistake number 1. Using too much. Here's the shocking part. More is not better. Most people dump way too much pink salt thinking it speeds things up. Wrong. Your body only needs a small pinch, about 1/4 teaspoon in a glass of warm water. Too much can cause bloating, water retention, or even raise your sodium levels. Start small. Less is more, and this tiny adjustment can make a huge difference. Mistake number 2. Drinking it at the wrong time. Timing is everything, and people get this wrong all the time. Some drink pink salt water before meals, or worse, at night. The perfect time? First thing in the morning, on an empty stomach. Overnight, your body has been fasting, and this little ritual can kickstart your digestion, boost hydration, and get your metabolism firing. Drink it at the wrong time, and you're basically wasting it. Mistake number 3. Not drinking enough water. Here's something almost nobody talks about. Pink salt only works if your body has enough water. It's not a replacement for hydration. If you're not drinking at least 2 liters of water a day, you're sabotaging yourself. Think of pink salt as the spark and water as the fuel. Without the fuel, nothing happens. Mistake number 4. Expecting instant results. This one frustrates everyone. Some videos make it look like a miracle, but here's the truth. Pink salt doesn't melt fat overnight. It helps digestion, reduces bloating, and supports your body. But real results take weeks, not days. And if you give up too soon, you'll never see what it can really do. Mistake number 5. Not pairing it with healthy habits. This is the biggest trap. Drinking pink salt water alone won't fix your lifestyle. Weight loss only happens when you combine it with real habits. Healthy eating, moving your body, and sleeping well. Even tiny changes like a 20-minute walk or cutting sugary drinks will make the pink salt trick actually work. Here's a tip most people don't know. Some add lemon or honey thinking it supercharges the effect. Lemon is okay, but honey adds sugar, and it can actually stop your progress dead in its tracks. Keep it simple. Warm water and a pinch of pink salt is all you need. Fixing just 1 or 2 of these mistakes can make a massive difference. You'll feel lighter, your digestion will improve, and your body will finally start responding to fat loss. Remember, consistency beats extremes every time. Here's a little quote to remember. Small daily habits beat quick fixes every time. Pink salt works best as part of a routine, not a one-time miracle. To sum it up, use the right amount, drink it at the right time, stay hydrated, be patient, and pair it with healthy habits. These 5 changes are simple but incredibly powerful. You'll notice better digestion, more energy, and real fat loss over time. If you want to take it even further, check out our video, Eat 1/2 teaspoon before bed melt belly fat like Ozempic. It works perfectly with the pink salt trick and can accelerate your results like nothing else. Stop doing it the wrong way. Start using pink salt the smart way. Your body and your scale will thank you.